I decided to pop into Hobby Lobby, and the 40% off of the fall stuff is going on. Let me show you what they have. These are wrought iron trivets. They're $6.99 with 40% off. We have all of these table runners. And then over here, we have these beautiful, they look like gourds, but they're vases. They're $29.99 on sale for $17.99. They have these beautiful bowls. This is just a quickie. And then these beautiful amber candlesticks, $6.99, but then with the sale, they're $4, I believe. We have these cute little candle. Look at those green jars. It's so pretty. Look at all of this stuff. Look at how precious these are. Little creamers. These are, I think, $5.49. I don't have my glasses on me, but aren't those adorable? Look at how pretty these plates are. Those are gorgeous. Those are $7.99 each. And then let me show you the sale prices. I like this. This would be so cute. Just put some pine cones and some leaves and pumpkins in it on a windowsill or in the center of your table. Look at those. They have so much. Look at these cute little turkeys. These are really popular right now. $10.99. Oh, wow. Look at these. How much is this one? They've got 3 sizes. This one is $27.99. The next one up is $37. And then this is $46.99, the big one. They have placemats. What are these? Oh, these are platters. Oh, I can't see the price. Price is $25.99. Oh, look at how precious these are. Little placemats that are pumpkins. These little owls. I think that says $5.99. These turkeys are pretty cool looking. They're not very heavy. They feel like they're wood. $17.99. And look at this. If you want anything Halloween, come out now while everything's stocked and the shelves. The sale is on. These are pretty cool. They're $14.99. But again, 40% off of the prices that I'm telling you. Oh, here's some arts and crafts. Stuff you can paint. Oh, look at, this is not my style, but these are so cool. $15.99. And they have smaller ones that are solid colors. They have these. These are cool. And then they have the little ones that are like marbled. Oh my gosh, you guys. Here's all the arts and crafts. Stickers. Garland. Lots of cute garland. And these. And they have long ones too. Oh, we've got little short ones too. Those are cute. Those are $3.99 with 40% off. If they had brown ones, I would pick the brown ones up because that's really what my decor is. Okay, that's a sneak preview. Okay, well, I thought that was it, but here are flags for outside. Here's outside decorations. More outdoor decorations. And then I wanted to show you these adorable, beautiful prints. Like, look at that one. That one's pretty. That one's beautiful. Look at that one's gorgeous. This is pretty. And then look at this one. That one's really pretty. That one's so cute. Those are pretty, very beautiful. I like this one, the copper one. Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest. Then we've got more yard decor. Tons of pumpkins everywhere. Scarecrows, sunflowers. And you've got your wood designs or your wood signs. Oh my gosh, I just saw this in the Middletown Goodwill. Here it's I think it says $26.99. This literally the exact same thing was in my Halloween video for Goodwill. Oh, here's one right here. Yeah, $26.99. And I think at the Goodwill it was probably less than $5. I should have picked it up. You guys, they have pumpkin picks. They have these picks. They have these that are gorgeous. Look at all of these picks. Look at those, are really pretty. They look like they're knit.
Attention, focus, Jasper to register, please. Jasper
And
to
then
register, please.
Garland for your fireplaces everywhere. Look at all of that. Oh, those are so pretty. These are so cute. Those are gorgeous. These would be so pretty on the fireplace. So let me just see the average price of a pick. $2.99. So then they would be $1.79 right now. These wreaths are so pretty. They have bows and they have door hangers. And there's the bows. And here's some more signs. And then over here they have burlap. They have all kinds of ribbon. Again, everything is 40% off right now. That's so cute. This is adorable. This down there, the gingham is pretty. They have skinny ones. Here's boxes and baskets and mats and blankets and pillows. They've got so much stuff here. Everything is so cute. I love these pillows. They're adorable. The pillows are $21.99. Oh, I like this. Oh, this throw. That's so cute. $25.99. I almost forgot to show you my haul. So I picked up this amber color jar. Love it. It was $6.99. Then the other thing that I picked up were these decorative sphere mixes, and they were $6.99. The jar was $6.99, and I used some of the spheres over here on my dining room table. And lastly, I picked up these 3 adorable pumpkins. They were $12.99. with, again, 40% off. So get to Hobby Lobby quickly. 40% off right now, and the shelves are stocked. So get out there while you can.